Branch is a financial platform built around helping hourly workers access their earned wages and manage workplace-related money tools. By the end, you'll know what Branch offers, who it is designed for, and what to check before deciding if it is useful for your situation. Branch focuses on the needs of employees who do not always receive a traditional fixed paycheck schedule. The platform is commonly used through employers, which means access depends on whether your workplace supports Branch. One of the main features people look for is earned wage access. This allows eligible workers to access money they have already earned before their normal payday. The idea is simple. Instead of waiting for a scheduled paycheck, workers may be able to get earlier access to available wages. This can help with short-term expenses when timing between bills and paychecks becomes difficult. Branch is not the same as a traditional loan because it is connected to earned wages rather than borrowing money against future income. The details still matter, because availability, fees, and employer setup can affect how useful it is. Another benefit is convenience. Workers who already use Branch through their employer can manage certain financial tasks through the app, instead of relying only on a regular bank account. The biggest question is whether Branch is worth using. It depends on your work situation and how often you need early access to your earnings. If your employer offers Branch and you occasionally need flexibility between paydays, it may be helpful. If you rarely need this feature, it may not add much value. Before using Branch, check how your employer has set it up. Look at available features, any costs involved, and how accessing wages early affects your normal budgeting routine. You should also compare it with other options. Building emergency savings, adjusting bill due dates, or using other financial tools may work better depending on your goals. Branch can be a useful tool for hourly workers who want more control over when they receive access to earned money. The important things to review are eligibility, costs, and whether it actually improves your cash flow. Before relying on any earned wage access service, make sure it fits into your overall money plan and does not make future paychecks harder to manage. If this helped you understand whether Branch is worth considering, subscribe for more simple reviews of financial apps and workplace money tools.